This free traffic source made me 2 sales in Clickbank in just 1 hour. You're gonna ask me, Mr. Vadan, how do you make these sales? Let me show you. I'm promoting the keto diet product. I received 24 hop or 24 click. Under 3 minutes, I'm gonna show you this traffic source and just copy this. Just go to this traffic source right now and start seeing result just after watching this video. You can see, guys, I have 2 sales. Let me show you guys 2 sales, and I make $51.50 for each sales. So I have 2 sales. You can see $103 that I just make. So you're gonna ask me, what is this traffic source? But before I just show you the traffic source, let me just refresh for you guys. So you can see it's still intact. So guys, those are not really targeted traffic, but if you keep your affiliate link to this, you're gonna make sales. You can see I have 24 hope or 24 clicks. I have 2 hopes that convert to click and 10 initial forms, and you can see $2 two sales. Each sales costs $51. So let me show you the traffic source. The traffic source, this is a website named 10khit.com. This is a traffic, this is a source. You just put your affiliate link. You're gonna go right here, you just sign up, create a free account. When you create a free account, you are good to go. You will just have to put your affiliate link and you're gonna give hits to other people's website, and you're good to go. Let me show you how it works. So they have an application. You can download the application after you join, because I'm already a member. Let me show you how I do it. You can do the same thing, guys. Let me just show you. This is the traffic source, 10K hits. So you can see this is the traffic source. If I just go all the way down, I'm gonna show you the clicks that I receive, and this is where you can put 3 websites and the free plan. You can put 3 websites. So you can see I received a lot of clicks using this method. So let me show you. Let me show you this one. Okay, you can see this one. I receive, let me see. You see, I received more than 70 clicks just for today. More than 70 clicks. You can see, guys, more than 70 clicks right here. So if you just see in the corner, more than 70 clicks. How do you do this? You just go to website. This is where you will be able to add website. So they give you access to 3 websites for free. But how do you make receive the visits? So one thing you have to do, when you add your website, you have to go to surf now. When you go to surf now, you will be able to surf. When you surf, it's like you're watching other people's website, and you're gonna earn some point. But this point will be converted as a point that you can use to create your own campaign, so people can go to your website as well and follow them. So you can just leave this, you let the application run, and you just minimize it. It will run by default right here. So you can go do other things that you want, and you will still collect points. You can see right here, this is how I make the money. So if we go back again to Clickbank to see the result, you can see, guys, this is real result. So guys, as I said, this video is not too long. Just go to the website, try this website. Let me refresh it one more time for you. Go to this website and try to do the same thing, and you're gonna see result will come. You take your affiliate link, go to this website, and see you in the next video. Please break the like button for me if you find value out of this video, and comment down below, tell me where you are watching this video. It was your boy Vanel. As always, while I am reloading my screen to show you everything is legit, so you can see, if I just zoom out, you can see everything is okay. So guys, see you